Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Red Dead Redemption 2 is an amazing game, but if it's not launching on your PC, you're probably frustrated. The good news is there are several fixes you can try that work really well. Step 1. We're going to verify your game files because sometimes corrupted files prevent the game from starting. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers cause major compatibility issues. Step 3. Disable overlay features like Discord and Steam overlays that can interfere with the game launch. Step 4. Run the game in compatibility mode for previous Windows versions, which fixes a ton of launch problems. Step 5. Adjust your graphics settings and lower them significantly, especially if you have an older graphics card. And Step 6. Make sure your system meets the minimum requirements because sometimes people don't realize their PC just isn't powerful enough. Let's get started with these fixes right now.